The people of Delhi refuse to stay silent. They're protesting against the allegations of so-called AQI data fudging. They're also protesting against this perennial air pollution crisis, which the Delhi government is still scrambling to solve. I'm joined by a fellow protester. Ma'am, please show us what you're holding. It says, "Safeguard our kids, not polluters." We understand they are the future citizens of Delhi, and they are breathing absolutely toxic air at this point. The Supreme Court said these masks are not enough anymore. What are your fears and anxiety for your son?
Well, if the mask is not enough, is not safe enough for them, how is it safe enough for my son to go to school? I want to send my child to school. He goes to school, but why, as a parent, why am I being made to make that choice every day in the morning whether I should choose his right to education or I should choose his right to health? I don't think any parent should be put in a position where, every morning we are playing God. Is his health or is her health more important? Is my child's health more important? Or the aspirations that my child has or we have for our children? We want someone to do something. I know change won't happen instantly, but if we as a community start, then only something will start changing. We need the government to start explaining to us collectively that, first, give that message that all is not well. And second, it can't keep coming from the medical community or the scientific community. They have to tell us that all is not well. We accept all is not well.
Do you know why you're wearing a mask? Do you think every time during winter season you start coughing, you can't go out to play? Do you ever feel that way?
Yes.
हाँ?
Yes, I do.
बाहर खेलने जाते हो अब शाम को?
नहीं,
क्यों?
मैं इंडोर करता हूँ।
क्या?
इंडोर करता हूँ।
Acha, indoor. So this is also a very big concern for the little kids of our national capital. They cannot go out in the playgrounds and play and have a leisure time. A sense of normalcy has been snatched away from them. Ma'am, what are your thoughts about the day-to-day health impact of the pollution on you and on your child?
Well, every time my child steps out, we've reached a point where we, as in when I speak about myself, I have normalized the idea of a mask for my child. But not everyone has been able to do that. If in COVID we could do that, then why can't we do it right now? There are certain, everything doesn't protect, but there are certain precautions that we can take right now till things don't change. And by saying this is not something that builds immunity, it's absolutely the contrary. We need to do something. I feel fear for myself. Then you can imagine as a mother what I feel for my child. You can imagine what every mother feels for her child right now. And it's across classes.
Thank you so much for speaking to NDTV. You just heard how a mother thinks, how a mother processes this environmental crisis in the national capital.